Hey lawn dogs, Floyd and Morgan with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, we are not mowing today. We are doing a little project in this house behind us, and well, it's gonna have some of this stuff over here. So anyway, stick around, check it out. You're gonna watch us work. You ready to work?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go. So lawn dogs, what we're doing is we are gonna put a little retaining wall right here. A lot of her mulch keeps washing down, so we're gonna put a little retaining wall along here to the steps. This is one of the blocks we're using, and then along here down. And we're gonna show you how we did it and how we do it. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna set these cameras up and we're gonna get going. Huh? Yeah, you can. See if you can pull it up. What we're doing now is Morgan is using the tamp to flatten this ground as much as possible. We're about 3 inches deep past the concrete. These blocks are 4 inches wide, so some places look probably about, we're trying shooting for around 2 inches, 3 inches. Some places a little shallower, some places a little deeper, but that's okay because we're going to level out with that leveling sand. We want the block to be, well, I'll show you that when we start laying the blocks down. But once she gets done with that, we'll start laying these blocks, and we'll have to adjust our line. We messed it up already. We're using that line as a guide, nothing more. This isn't level. It kind of slopes down on a hill, so we're not using a level to keep it level because it wouldn't really work that way. We want to keep it level with the cement. So as we go, we're going to measure from the cement to the top of these blocks in that first row. And we're going to try to shoot for about 2 inches. Well, we're going to shoot for 2 inches. We want 2 inches of the block kind of below the cement to help keep it in place. And then we're going to have 2 inches of, or everything above 2 inches above the cement. And then we got another layer. So this will be a 2-layer, and then we got a capstone. So we're going to do this. We're going to finish this up and get going and show you more footage. Come on, Morgan. 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 Just imagine it's someone's face who you hate and you're just smashing it in the ground. Huh?
It's kind of satisfying.
It's kind of satisfying?
Yeah.
Memphis, it isn't you.
No, it's not.
Feeling buff? So guys, we got the first layer down here. Looks pretty good to me. Then we're going to put a second layer in a cap. Now we're going to start digging out this one over here. Get that first layer down here before we finish the other side. So it goes all the way down to here. So it's a little bit bigger and it's curved. So we're going to have to play with that curve a little bit. But that's okay. But yeah, I think it's going all right. Morgan's trying to get the black guard out real quick. Come on, Muscles. Morgan, Morgan, Morgan. Do you need help? This is why she's doing it, because this keeps all falling down. You see that? Oh!
Oh, big mess.
Yeah. Huh? No, it is. Well, maybe, I don't know. Is it? Well, probably been in there forever. Just holler if you need help. Should get easier, I would think. That was the thick stuff. I'm actually surprised it was one whole piece. My gut was telling me it was going to be two pieces, but the right thing was to make it one whole piece. I thought I was gonna curve around. I'm like, oh no!
I think Ben kind of butthurt.
All right, let's throw it away. All right, lawn dogs. So we're starting to dig our trench for this next one, and I think I came across a nest of eggs. I think they're turtle eggs.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
Well, we can check that.
Did we just bury them again?
Put a light.
And see if there's anything in them?
Yeah, like put a light on it.
Yeah. That was weird. I wonder if, I think there's more in there. So lawn dogs, if they're like chicken eggs, if you look through a light through them like this, and you see like blood or veins or something, that means they're fertile. And that means something's growing. However, so far, we can't tell. We don't think they are even fertile eggs. Were fertile eggs, so maybe that's why they never hatched.
They're really mushy too.
And they are really soft. So I'm thinking that maybe they were just laid and the mama never got knocked up fully to have fertile eggs.
Other ones could have hatched, possibly.
Yeah,
Those
maybe,
could
but
be.
other ones might have hatched, and maybe these were the 5 that didn't hatch.
I don't see anything.
I don't see any
one-
other
this one
eggshell
kinda
remnants
seems
in there,
harder.
but yeah. Not seeing anything.
Mm-mm. It looks like the one side of the
Maybe.
yolk or whatever's inside me. It says on one side because it's been sitting.
Oh well, we're just gonna, honestly, I don't know.
So we could just bury them.
We'll just bury
Back
them,
up and then.
leave them alone. Let's do it. So it is June, so it does seem really late for eggs to be hatching anyway. Let's just put them back in there, I guess. I don't know. Or we could go over there by the swamp. Let me see. If they're not fertile, an animal will eat them.
Yeah. that deep underground, so you can just dig a hole and put them in there.
Yeah. Well, let's not put them back in there.
Right.
Let's just put them over there. There's swamp over there. We'll put them over there somewhere. All right, guys, we're gonna go bury these up and be done with them. Get back to work. So hey, we got the first layer done. Let me show you. We're gonna clean up real quick. It's about 11:45. I don't know. Morgan's gonna blow this up, and we're gonna go eat lunch, then come back. Just so it looks kind of clean in case they come home, which I don't think they are. I think they're out of town. But anyway, that's the first layer. You can see it kind of goes down. This whole driveway goes down. So we're gonna kind of load up. When we go get lunch, we're gonna come back and put that second layer on. And then we got the top put on that, so the cap. So I think it looks good. All right.
And now it's time for a montage.
Hey Lawn Dog, so we are back here. It's been a couple days and taking a look at the work, and it looks good still. So let's check this out. Turn this around. All right, there it is. Looks good. Now she wants me to give her a quote, and I kind of knew this was going to happen because the way it ends right here, she wants it to go all the way down there. So I should have brought my measuring wheel because I don't know how far. I'm gonna have to talk to her because I don't know if she wants us to end it right into these rocks, which is what I would probably do, end it right there. But yeah, so there we go. I hope you guys liked that video. It's hot, and I hope you guys have a great 4th of July week and weekend. Hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'm out.